if someone wanted to reach out to you, how does it work? Like, do they just email you? How's the process from, like, contacting you to end process? What could a person expect?
Great question. Well, here's in the bottom we have our website, visabusinessplans.com. There you can find our email address and the phone number. Anyway, it's can be info@visabusinessplans.com, or my email mscanu or scanu at visabusinessplans.com, or 305-777-0228. And here's the process. When we are contacted by someone who needs a business plan, who is thinking about applying for a visa, first thing we say is we're not attorneys and we cannot provide legal advice or anything that looks or smells like legal advice. What we do is, and this is something that I believe a lot in, is educate our clients. Because most of our clients are business people, so I tell them, look, I'm a business person just like you. I have been an entrepreneur for 35 years old. Let me explain what an E2 visa means from a business perspective. This is what you can expect, again, from the business point of view. And we walk them through the process, usually spend between 30 to 45 minutes. I do like to take the time to get to know our prospects. We want to know if they're sophisticated investors or people who need a lot of hand-holding. Understanding those two extremes or anything in between means that we adapt our process. A sophisticated investor, you can handle them in a certain way, but someone who needs a lot of hand-holding, I mean, if you ask him questions, they will say most likely, look, I don't know, I just want my visa, just get me the business. And then, we want to understand more about the background, why they're doing what they're doing, and at the same time, we do like to engage with the immigration attorney handling the case, because as you know, John, if you ask 10 attorneys, let me give an example, what is the minimum investment for an E2? You get 10 different answers. Yeah. So we want to be always aligned with the immigration attorney working on the case, because what worked for you may not work for the attorney next door, and vice versa.